Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to go through all the analysis that we covered last week to see how they performed. Also we'll be looking for new trading opportunities for this week. Hope you all had some decent profits last week. As you already know, we had the FOMC meeting and the non-farm payrolls news on Friday, and the market moved a lot from there. And I hope all of you guys managed to make some profits or at least book some profits and you didn't lose big or anything. And so right now, let's start. DXY. Last week, I was expecting the price to end this range by going down, reaching this 4-hour demand zone that we have highlighted on the chart before starting an uptrend. So far so good. We broke the low here. We nearly reached this area, and right now we reverse towards the upside, and we are in a 4-hour consolidation, in a 4-hour order block or supply zone. This means that I'm expecting for this week the price to consolidate and push for one more move towards the upside. Euro USD. Euro USD. I was expecting Euro USD last week to break the top and then fall. My target was the 4-hour demand zone that I have highlighted here. And for this week, I'm expecting the price to make a pullback and drop once more towards this level and see from there if we will go back up or if the correction gets bigger. Moving on to Pound USD. For Pound USD, the market moved on Thursday when the Bank of England released its monetary policy minutes, and it went out and broke this range here, making a new low inside this zone, and right now it's heading towards this green trend line. Trend line that I'm not necessarily expecting to hold. I think we'll break it and go into a deeper pullback here. Possible target the 4-hour order block here, and if you are a bit more optimistic or pessimistic depending on which side of the market you are, I'm also expecting if this becomes deeper to reach the second area here before going back up. I'm expecting this to be a correction, same as for Euro USD. This will only be a correction for further upside. So for now, I'm waiting consolidations for both Euro USD and Pound USD and go for one more bearish push. Moving on to Dollar Yen. Dollar Yen, I was expecting it last week to break this area towards the downside and then move up. Instead, the price went down inside here, inside the range, and then broke out outside the trend line. Right now, I'm expecting the price to make a pullback and head for one more move towards the upside. So for this week, we have a dollar week. The dollar is getting stronger for this week, and maybe in the next couple of weeks or few weeks, remains to be seen. But with the FOMC meeting and the hawkish speech that Mr. Powell had, I'm expecting the dollar to gain some more momentum. Let's move on to gold. Gold, I was expecting gold to last week to make a new top before the FOMC minutes, and so far so good. The price went here into a messy consolidation as I was expecting it, followed by a sharp move towards the upside, which hit this 4-hour supply zone. As you can see, the price got rejected from that area instantly and made a small pullback, went down, another small pullback down, and now it's hovering around the trend line. The next move for gold, I'm expecting a consolidation here, maybe a bigger one towards this area, and then go for one more push down. This is the first option. The second option is that we go lower today or tomorrow, break this low, head towards this 4-hour demand zone, and then start a deeper pullback. So before going one more leg down. So for gold, I'm suggesting that you guys should wait for the pullback to finish. Watch this level here, Let me draw it on the chart so you guys can have it. So I'm waiting for this supply zone to be reached on the 4 hours, and then waiting for the price to fall from here again to make one more push towards the downside. Moving on to silver. Last week silver did exactly as we expected it to do. I said that we are in the middle of a range here, a range that was sitting underneath the trend line, and it did the classical bull trap. It went back up, uh, took out some stop losses, and then instantly went down. So similar to gold, I'm expecting for silver to make a pullback and then one more move towards the downside. As a target, this may well go down here, but for now I'm not that sure that this will be the case for now. But one thing I'm sure is that this will make a consolidation here and push for one more move towards the downside. Possible target. I'm gonna watch this demand area on the 4-hour chart. Moving on to US oil. Last week I was expecting US oil to finish this correction and start and push towards the upside. I was explaining two scenarios. This is one of them, and as you can see, it didn't fulfill my expectations. Instead, I was expecting also for the second scenario was that I was expecting the price to make a pullback and then drop once more towards this level. For now, as you can see, we are in a big downtrend here. Impulse, correction, another impulse, and then correction, and now we are making another drop, which broke the trend line. So for now, I'm expecting USL to pull back a bit, maybe go towards the 77, 78 area, close to this zone here, and then make one more push towards the downside to break this low and head towards the weekly demand area. So for oil, I'm gonna wait for my sell setups, and then I'm gonna get in the trade. Moving on to the stock market, Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I was expecting it last week to go on and break this top. It did. It also went higher than that, as you can see. And right now the market is making a pullback, and I'm expecting the price to go for one more push towards the upside for now. This is only a correction, upside, and then maybe we can go down and see if we get a correction or a new low. Let's move on to the crypto market. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making a messy structure here. Is making higher highs everywhere now. So I think this is only a consolidation. This will go one more move up, possible another consolidation, another move up before going back down for a correction. So for now, I'm gonna stay away from this, and we'll focus on other pairs for now. The crypto market looks like it's stagnating a bit. It's creating a messy range here, so I'm gonna stay away from it. Same for Ethereum. Ethereum is making here a channel, an ending structure, maybe go down, come back up, hit again this 4-hour order block area, and then come back down for a sharp pullback. So similar to Bitcoin, Ether has some space to go towards the upside, make higher highs before dropping. BNB. BNB right now is making a consolidation for another push up. Market can fall from here one more time to reach the trend line and then go back up before making an ending structure before falling down towards these levels. We have the first 4-hour the demand area, and the second one located at 270, 275, which is this one. So the crypto market for now looks like it's still going up, slowly losing momentum. So I'm expecting at some point to get a sharp pullback towards the downside for the market to correct to make another bullish impulse. So that's all for now. I'm gonna see you guys next week with new pairs. At the same time, I'm kindly asking you if you can leave me a comment in below the video. So if you're interested in analyzing other pairs next week, just hit me with your message below, and I'm gonna take care of that, and I'm gonna look to make you an analysis for the requested pairs. So if you guys wish to drop a like, comment, and a share, I would greatly appreciate. And I'm wishing you a wonderful training week ahead. See you guys next week.